So I'm going to show you how to change the image of your smart tag on your Galaxy SmartTag 2. So if you go to the SmartThings app and go to devices, you can see every smart tag is represented by this little smart tag image by default. So you can actually customize and have different images to represent different places or different smart tags that you might be using in case you have multiple of them. And to do that, you want to go to a specific smart tag. So tap on it to open it in its own page, and then go to view map. And then now you can swipe up on that particular smart tag, scroll, and then you will see the option change device image. So you want to tap on that, and then you can either go to your phone's gallery, or you can bring up the camera app and find an image. So let's say I want to use this for something. So for instance, a camera. So I can select an image of, let's say, a camera or a clock like this. Take a picture and then tap OK. Or you can pick up an image from your gallery. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to use this clock, then tap on done. And then you can see the image of my SmartThings, my smart tag is going to look like in the maps and in the app. So if you like it, just tap on save, and that's going to be your new image. So that is it. Just waiting for it to update. You can go back and just wait for that update to take place. There you go. Thanks for watching and good luck.